Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go through navigation of the charts in TradingView. As you know, TradingView is the best trading software in the world. Okay, the goal of this video is that by end of this video, you will be able to put the charts on all the time frames, the different type of indicators you need, the drawings if you want to put any drawing, annotation, and all the functions which are on here I will be going through and you will be able to do by this end of this video. That's the goal of the video. But if you have not subscribed for this channel, please do subscribe, as I will be putting more educational videos out there. So without further ado, let's get started with the charts. Okay, and we move on. So here you see on bigger time frame, I have a chart of Tesla. It is on a daily time frame. So the first and foremost thing, when you have, I have already opened the chart, so that's why I'm going straight to it. So when you have a super charts here, you press super charts and this super chart will come on. The first thing you need to do is to see what symbol you want or what stock you want. I have already Tesla in. If you're trading futures, forex, crypto, you can put your symbol, but let's go to stocks and then we go to Tesla. So I have a chart of Tesla which is daily. Okay, you can have it for weekly. When you press down here 5 years, this means every bar is weekly, and then you can have monthly. Every bar which you see is monthly. Okay, suppose now let's go to a stock which I trade in the European market, Airbus SE, Euronext Paris. So the markets are still open, they are still going on. So I have a chart of monthly chart now. I will put it on a daily chart. Okay, so as you see already, you can put, first you need to do is find a symbol, then you go to the time frame what you want. You can put any time frame in. Let's put a 5 minute. 5 minute means every bar is 5 minutes. You will see what's happening on a 5 minute chart. So let's put, you can put whatever you want here, 1 hour, 2 hour. So let's go to the daily time frame and then you see what's happening on the daily time frame. So now the first thing was to put the symbol. The second is to put whatever time frame you want. You already know how to put it. You can put it through here by clicking. All the time frames are here. The next thing is to see is the third one is the candles. What candlestick? We are using the candlestick patterns. Okay, you can use the hollow candles, they will be hollow, and the rest which you want more fancy ones, they are paid ones, but we go to the regular one. The reason I'm showing for the new timers the free TradingView is they have given you a lot of things to do. So this is already without paying any money. You can see a lot of things, analyze a lot of stocks, lot of charts. So that's why they are the #1 in the world. And the Saxo which I'm trading is the best in Europe. It has also a lot of things going on. So let's move on with now the indicators. As you have put your symbol, then you will choose what time frame you want. Then you will click here the time frame. You will have the time frame you want. We have it on daily now. So now we are going to indicators. So indicators is basically technical, financial, whatever you want. You can click here and you will have. I usually like simple moving averages. So we put moving average simple. So by default you will have 9. So how we change it to whatever you want? You go to settings here. Then you go to put suppose 200. Okay, and the rest leave by default the way it is. Then you have the style. Suppose you want different color. Okay, let's go to red color. Okay, you want to change this line which is here to more thicker, more thicker, more thicker. So we leave it like that, and the visibility by default just leave the way it is. And then we go to inputs. You see it's 200. Style you have put it red and thick, and you say okay. So you have simple moving average 200. What it means, simple moving average means it's going to calculate 200 bars volume. That's why I said it gives, the TradingView gives you so much of facilities that you can see the volume here as well. I will show you exactly when I put my this one on here, how much is the volume of there. 275,000.07 thousand. You see, it gives you. Yesterday was 1.56 million. So the whole idea is to choose stocks which has a lot of people trading in it. That's how you can get in and get out if something goes wrong. That's how you can protect your money. The whole goal in this game is to protect your money. Always remember that. Protect your money always. That's why I'm showing you free plan here, which gives you so many things to do. Okay, so we have been to the symbol, then you have the charts which you can put daily, weekly, monthly, whatever you want. We've been to the candlestick, we've been to the indicators. So you can see indicated templates. This you don't need anything, so just leave it like that. Alert, the same thing. If you want to put alert and notification, you can go through here and put your whichever stock alert price, and then it will trigger you whenever you're trading. Okay, and then comes the same replay. You don't need bar replays to see old ones what had happened. That is old, past is past, so you don't need any of this. So now we are going to layout setup. This is a free one, so it gives you only one, but only one. That doesn't mean you are not able to do anything. You see, you can go on daily, you can go on weekly. That means it's a weekly, every week is one bar. It gives you the same 200 as up here. Then you can go up to monthly. It's a monthly time frame. Every bar is 1 month, every bar is 1 month. Okay, we are going back to daily now. Then we are going to, this is here again the same quick search. If you want, is the same symbol search here as well. So we go into settings now. Settings will, the symbol will show you the color of the candles. Okay, you don't need to, this is by default, leave the way it is. The same thing with the scale status line, leave the way it is, it's by default. They have put it already. The same with currency and units. You want to see the scales or thickness and visibility on mouse over scale modes, you don't need that one, so just leave it like that. Then you have the Canva, the grid line, vertical line, horizontal line, just leave the way it is. Trading, buy sell buttons, positions, they are all put for you here. Execution, they will all show you what position you have, profit and loss. And if you want notification and events, you can still press it if you want, but you have the alerts now. Alert lines, leave it the way it is. The only thing which you can do some things here is that ideas, if they have, if any of these forums give you any idea, I don't see anything here, so leave it like that. Dividends, one time they had given a dividend, you see D has come here, dividend. And if there was any splits for the stocks, no, there was no splits. Earnings, when was the earning was here. Okay, they will show you the earnings. Earning is here coming, so you can have a earning breaks. They will show you the lines exactly when is the earning break, so you know. You can press for latest news, notification, but we don't need anything here, so we move on. Okay, so that comes the setting. Here we go with the full screen mode. We are in full screen mode. If you want to take a snapshot, this is a snapshot. You see the publish button here. I will make another video on how to publish if you are making a video and publishing it. That is for the publish button, but you don't need it. This is for the basic. Okay, so now suppose you go and you have a watch list. You want to put some other stock like TTE, or you want to put Apple, you want to put Tesla, Netflix, and commodities, gold, silver. This is where you go to watch list and you add and you put your symbols here. Okay, and it will show you the last change, whatever happens here. The S&P, NDX, DJI, these are all the indexes. So we go to the symbols, and then we have the alerts. I don't have any alerts, so if you have any alert, it will show you there. So you have the object tree or the data window. The data window shows you open, high, low, close, change, and volume. And as we have volume, which is on the left hand side of the screen, and the simple moving average 200. Okay, so you don't need, these are chats here. If you are chatting on when you're trading with your other team members or who you know, your friends, these are the chats. And then you have the screeners here of the stocks if you want, and then press it here, and then you will have a big screen, and then you can add your screeners. These are calendars which you can mark what things you have to do. The same thing with options. What are the options when you are using for trading options? And then you have here is community hub. The same thing you do is communicate with them. Notifications, if there are any, they will pop up here. And the chats if you need any help from TradingView. Okay, this is the maximize panel. This is the panel where they will show you all the other these ones which are using TradingView. Okay, whatever the new brokers, they can use TradingView. So we will minimize it, and this is basically for opening the panel. Okay, if you are, I use Saxo in Europe, so I can still trade with TradingView, but I'm using directly Saxo because we are basically down here. So it's the same thing here. Crypto pair screeners, if they will show you everything down here. Okay, Bitcoin, or if you're trading crypto, you go back Pine editor. Same with the strategy. There is a lot of strategies if you want to test and replay trading. If you want to see some charts, we go back, trading panel, open, and the same thing comes again. So, and then we move on to the cursor. Okay, we move on to the arrow. So now at the moment what I'm using is the cursor is, you can use a cross right here, you can use a dot right here, you can use a magic wand, abracadabra, or you go back to your arrow. I like arrow, so I put it over there. So now you have the lines. If you want to put some trend lines, okay, just to put on the trend lines, a lot of people put trend line, then you put horizontal line to see where you are, put horizontal lines, and then you can put vertical lines. Okay, so now you have this, one is blue, one is green, one is, you can put also whatever color you want. You see when you click on it, it comes any color. You can fill here. You want to put red, then you go click here, you fill the color red, and then if you want 4, the thickness, you want to put 1, it will go to 1, it will go to 4 if you want. Okay, these are the same setting which I showed you before. Okay, so these are just the lines if you want to mark some, if you're a big fan of support and resistance, or the vertical lines for today's bar. Now we know when you're trading on a smaller time frame. Okay, so then you have Fibonacci. This is Fibonacci, is a little bit on a higher advance. I don't use it. I like my things to be simple. It's up to you. You want to use Fibonacci, or then you have forecasting tools. It's a projection. You can take a long position and you say my stop loss is here, my profit take is here, and this will give you all of this. Okay, then we go to arrows, brushes. If you want to put a highlighter, you put a highlighter, and if you want to delete it, just take it out. Okay, and if you want a brush, if you want to write something, just take it. If you want to delete it, you can use this one, or you can right click and remove, or you can undo it as well. So we have here is text and notes. If you want to put, this is a new table where they show you have taken a trade, what was the price, how much you made, what was the loss. So this also you can see. You can put it on the side somewhere here, always to remind you. And if you want to take it is one here, undo is second one, or the right click is the third one, and the fourth one you can go on the bottom as remove object as well. So I will just undo it. Okay, and then we go to the emojis. You can put thumbs up, you can go again and put this one, and again you want to fill out some color, make it red. Okay, the same thing here, make it green. And if you want to take it out, one is here, remove, the other one is undo, or the third one is right click. So just take it out, take it out. Okay, so we can have those things as well. Put again, I will show you. And then if you want to hide all these things, there is a way. These lines, horizontal, vertical, and you have this trend lines. You can go to here and it's written here, you can hide it, come back again, hide it again, come back again. Okay, the magnets which you see here, you don't need the measure, you don't need to click the chart, and then you have the zoom in already, zoom in, and the magnet, suppose you want to put it on here where the price is. This is a little bit additional, it just complicates things, so just keep it simple. All right, and then if you want to keep drawing, you do here, and then you come to the brushes, and then you go brush and make a drawing. Okay, and then you can take it out if you want, and the same thing here, undo everything if you want, and the same with the lines. If you want to hide it, you hide it over there. And the third part, if you want to take out everything, remove all drawings and indicators as well, remove 6 drawings, you can do the drawing, take 6 drawing out, and they are all gone. Okay, so this is basically all the things which you get on your chart. So if you want to know more and things in the advance, please leave me a comment in the comment box, and anything you want me to go through about the charts, I will go through. Okay, the goal here is for you to be ready. Please don't trade from the phone. This is the fastest way to lose your money. We don't trade from the phone. You should know on the charts. It's the same thing with the fundamental. There is 2 different type of ways to do the how to analyze a company: technical, which I am doing, and fundamentally. Fundamentally, you can tell me everything. The owner can tell me that the company will go to €1 million, $1 million, million, whatever currency you're trading. But when I see technically it's going down, it doesn't add up. So the goal here is, I would like to congratulate you that you have come in the financial market. Just be there. Just be there. Your luck will play out and you will get your financial freedom. That's the whole thing. To be in the market is the best place to be on planet Earth. I loved it from day one, and I still love it, and I will love it till I walk this earth. This is how confident I am with the financial markets. Okay, so if you have anything, leave me the comments below, and let me know anything else you would like me to post. And thank you for your time. Happy investing, and welcome to the financial markets, and God bless. Thank you.